It is time for Glazed and Confused, where we answer some real homeowner questions. Today, we're going to answer questions that revolve around the value of your home that is created by adding new windows and doors. And as always, our main objective is to stump dunk. We're going to do it. We are going to do it one of these days.
Not only do I have knowledge and experience on my side, today I come with real data.
Oof, this may be tough, but never fear. Let's see what we got, shall we?
Live in hope.
All right. Question number 1. How much of the upgrade cost will I recoup when I sell my home?
Statistically, in Southern California especially, you will get 70 to 80% of your money back, otherwise known as ROI, return on investment, by replacing your home's vinyl windows and or doors.
Holy wow.
Yeah.
That's some pretty good numbers. I like those.
I have some better ones too.
Okay.
That fiberglass entry door that you like the look of?
Yeah.
80% return on investment for replacing a fiberglass entry door.
Oh, that is very exciting. I like that a lot.
It is. It gets better.
Okay.
It gets better. If you do a steel entry door, Southern California, 100% ROI on recoup.
No way. 100%
of your money spent.
Well, that's amazing. Okay. Well, then I guess the answer is yes. You will recoup.
Did you stump me?
No.
It feels familiar.
Well, we have more to come. All righty. Question number 2. Will I get any return on energy savings when I upgrade?
Yes, you will. I'm going to tell you a lively story about my experience selling windows in Southern California. Summer months. Not that long ago,
yeah.
But very, very real. When I'm sitting with a homeowner and their air conditioning clicks on, and 10 minutes later it clicks off, and then 2 minutes later it clicks back on, and it whirs around for 15, 20 minutes, and then it clicks off, and then a minute later it clicks back on again, your energy is just going straight out through your single pane windows and doors. I have had so many phone calls over the last number of years from people who say they can't believe the difference by replacing their windows and doors in the fact that when their air conditioning gets to temperature, it will shut off for hugely extended periods of time, sometimes hours, before it clicks back on again. That is transmitted to you in energy savings. An example of a customer that we sold windows to where they had fixed windows in the upper section of their house. We put in operable windows. They stopped using their air conditioning in the summer because the airflow that they received coming in from the west was amazing. And that's a huge savings as well. So the answer is yes.
Wow. I mean, that's absolutely incredible. You don't have any specific data. I mean, it's actually very clear just in the stories of the customers calling you after getting their new windows and doors and saying, yeah, I've gotten some real savings that my air conditioning isn't turning on. I mean, that translates into huge savings every month on your utility bill.
If you want data, I have had people call me and show me their energy bills and they're cut in half.
Ah, that's incredible. Well, you can't beat that. Question number 3. Will replacing my windows and doors help me to sell my home faster or for more money?
Yes. So, in my experience, when you are selling a home that is an older home, what you will find is that the buyers, when they first start looking, they tend to go and look at new homes. They go and they walk through the models and they see all of the modern upgrades. They all have new vinyl windows and doors in them at a minimum. So by the time they come to your house and they see these old single-paned aluminum pitted frames where they can hear the people outside that they're competing against to buy the house talking, and they can hear the cars going up and down the street and the dog barking. The first thing they think is, we're going to need new windows and doors. So here's what happens. They either lowball you because they think they've got to spend X amount of dollars on windows and doors, and they usually budget for more than it actually costs, or they look for the house that's already got the windows and doors done if they don't want to have to go through the project. So that's number one. Take another example, 2 houses on the same street, tract homes, about the same size, the same price. One's got new windows and doors already, the other one doesn't. One with new windows and doors, probably going to sell more quickly.
All right.
So,
wow. Well, that's a lot of really great information. I think just as a reminder, everyone, it's important to talk to your window and door specialist just for your specific needs and what your specific situation is, really.
yes, be specific.
Be specific because it's important to give them all the information so that they can give you all the information right back at you, right?
I think I understood what you meant.
That's it for today. And unfortunately, we did not stump dunked.
Maybe we should change it to Duncan knows best.
No. I would really prefer not to do that. I have to be honest. That would not be good. Anyways, let's keep it with Stump Dunk if possible, but we need tougher questions. So don't forget, you can go onto our website, onto the Stay Glassy page, which is newmanwindows.com/Stay Glassy. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you can submit those tough questions so we can keep this with Stump Dunk.
We are always here to help.
Yes, we are.